A lot of you have probably already seen these chocolate and pretzel spiderwebs, but I'm going to show you the do's and the don'ts. Make sure you put a big glob of the chocolate in the middle, and this one I didn't really do that, and so it did break a little bit after. And when you're doing your spiral, make sure you put it on a little thicker. This one was too thin, so it did break a couple pieces off when it hardened. The main reason why they need to be thicker is because when you swipe it like this, you are thinning out the chocolate. So you need to make sure they're thick enough so when you are swiping it and thinning out the chocolate, you don't end up making a very thin line that will break later. Something else to know is that when you're doing white chocolate, you can pretty much use any color sprinkles that you want, but when you do switch over to the chocolate, you need to use something brighter. These aren't exactly meant for Halloween, but they look good and the pretzels taste good enough that nobody cares. The other reason why it's important to make sure your lines are pretty thick is because when I was peeling this off, the thin ones are the ones that did break. I thought these might be kind of complicated and hard to make, but they weren't at all. I made them really fast and they taste so good.